sorry about that. So part 2, my memory got full. This is the unboxing of the PURIUM'S Daily Core 4 Nutrition plus Performance Pack and a couple additional items. Speaking of the additional item, I also did get this zinc aid. It's not part of the pack. This is amazing because it's not only is it a 3 and then free eligible item, meaning basically if you order this and pay for it 3 months in a row, you'll automatically get it shipped out to you in the 4th month and don't even have to pay shipping. It's included, okay? So I literally just took this with my dinner. I took 6 capsules because that would give me 180 milligrams of vitamin C. Okay, again, it's called Zinc Aid, and this comes in a compostable non-plastic packaging. There's 90 capsules of Zinc Aid per Terra pouch, and you're gonna get a nice 90 milligrams for every 3 capsules, 900 micrograms of vitamin A, vitamin D, you'll get 1200 international units, vitamin E, you'll get 22.5 milligrams. For the zinc, for those men, you definitely need zinc. You're going to get 11 milligrams per 3 capsules, and this is the food-based nutrient blend you can see there. It's got the camu, really high source of vitamin C, organic acero cherry extract, sunflower, the vitamin D comes from algae, plant source, okay, and then a couple other ingredients, and it comes in a vegetable cellulose capsule. So that is the Zinc Aid to support your immune system. Again, it's not part of the Daily Core 4 Nutrition and Performance Pack. Now, the next item is actually their flagship product, Biomedic, which is the main 4 ingredients is a inulin or chicory root fiber, prebiotic. Next is fulvic and humic acids, and then you've got a I think it's called PrimaryNutritionStores or something like that. I forget. The label's kind of hard to take off, but actually, let me see the. You can learn more by going to detoxroundup.com. That will take you to a video on my glyphosate guy Brighteon channel. This is really a must. It is the world's first anti-GMO product that's been shown to remove glyphosate, which is the active ingredient in Roundup weed killer, by 74%. Okay, that's a game changer. So you can learn more. It's also been shown to reduce C-reactive protein, a biomarker for inflammation, by 75%, and reduce food sensitivity by 35%. Okay. So that is called Biomedic. That is a definitely must. Just go to detoxroundup.com, or you can also visit my educational Linktree site, which is whatisroundup.com. Okay, this is also a 3 and then free item, like it says there. You order this if you order any pack that contains Biomedic or just Biomedic by itself, that'll count. Do that 3 months in a row, pay for it, and you'll get a free bag of Biomedic in the 4th month shipped out to you automatically, okay? And by the way, the Zinc Aid suggested use, according to this little pamphlet, you want to take 2 capsules in the morning and 1 capsule in the evening. I don't see any issues with doubling up on that easily because most of us are vitamin C deficient, especially if you have a lot of stress, okay? You just don't want to take more than maybe 250, 200 milligrams of vitamin C at a time. Otherwise, the rest of it won't be absorbed, according to my research, okay? So the next item in the Daily Core 4 Nutrition and Performance Pack is an amazing Super Amino 23. This is a vegan, a non-soy, non-GMO, non-corn source of certain amino acids. These are the amino acids in it. It comes from a master amino acid profile. You can watch some videos on my PURIUM YouTube channel. I'll include a link below in the description of this video. This thing is called 23 because it is supposedly enters your system and is digested within just 23 minutes to help build muscle without exercise, believe it or not, okay? And that is Super Amino 23. 5 tablets will get you these specific amino acids there. You will get 2 bottles when you order the Daily Core 4 nutrition and performance pack. The next item is also a 3 and then free item, Super Xanthan. I just loaded up on 4 capsules of this because I wanted to get the maximum. My research has led me to say that 16 milligrams of astaxanthin will help with some good cognitive benefits in the long run. I'm also recovering from traumatic brain injuries and also mercury poisoning, so that's why I took 4 capsules to get me 16 milligrams of astaxanthin, a really strong antioxidant, free radical scavenger. I believe it comes from some microalgae, if memory serves me correct, okay? And you also get 440 milligrams of organic spirulina for every 2 capsules. Okay, so that is PURIUM'S Super Xanthan. Great product. And again, it is a 3 and then free eligible item as well. Okay, and the next item we've got is, actually before I was interrupted, it does also come with a small size of the Can't Beat This powder, and it's a blend. It's not just beetroot juice powder. There's also you've got coconut water powder, organic pomegranate juice. You've got rice fiber, maca root. Helps support testosterone production, is what I've read. And it is sweet. It's got cordyceps mushrooms, Panax ginseng, organic eleuthero root, which is called Siberian ginseng, even though it's not a true ginseng. These are adaptogens, so definitely a great item. It's got organic green yerba mate. That is a nice, like a tea with a little bit of caffeine from I believe it's Central America. And then you got organic Rodelio extract. That is also an adaptogen. Organic moringa, aloe leaf, gargum. And then there's flavor with 3 different flavors: orange, guava, and passion fruit. Okay, and then organic coffee berry, whole coffee fruit extract. So I can't wait to try this. It'll be my first time to try their awesome pre-workout or post-workout Can't Beat This beetroot juice powder. Okay, they do also offer a larger, I believe it's 720 gram Terra pouch. That is definitely a better value, and it's really tasty. I heard. I can't wait to try this nice sweet beverage. Definitely better than any of those high sugary, mainstream sports drinks. We won't name any names. And then lastly, to help you regenerate and have deeper sleep with a natural source of melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone and is actually supposedly the most powerful antioxidant, even more powerful than glutathione. And this is their awesome and really tasty, super thick, rich, high ORAC value. I believe that stands for oxygen reduction absorptive capacity, for free radical scavenging. And it is their apothecary organic tart cherry juice concentrate. Okay, this is so thick and amazing. You can watch a video on my PURIUM YouTube channel that I did a deeper dive into, and it even comes in glass. Got a metal cap. You've got 16 fluid ounces, and it's USDA certified organic. And again, it does contain natural, a trace amount of natural melatonin. Okay, suggested use: you want to take either 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce about before bedtime, and maybe dilute it a little bit and add it in water or some other juice. Okay, for maximum effects. So that's 2 tablespoons if you want to really get some sleep. But a maintenance dose, you could go with just half an ounce or 1 tablespoon. Okay, and then you do want to refrigerate this after opening, and that is the nutrition facts label there. Okay, so even though it's a sour tart cherry juice, it's not terribly sour. I could deal with it. So that is PURIUM'S Apothecary, and that is amazing. This is a must-have. Definitely far safer than any sleeping pill, obviously. And so anyways, that concludes the unboxing of PURIUM'S Daily Core 4 Nutrition Plus Performance Pack. I believe I got everything. And if you have any questions, or actually as a token of my appreciation for all the loyal listeners, subscribers, followers of this YouTube channel, please enjoy a $50 off gift code on your first order of over $75 by entering Pure and Premium when you go to iShopPurium.com, okay? Again, go to enter PUREAND PURIUM, Pure and Premium, when you go to iShopPurium.com, okay? And that's iShopPurium, like it says right there. Okay? If you have any questions, or if you know anyone that's open to earning possible passive residual income by also becoming an independent Purium brand partner distributor like myself, you can have them leave me a voicemail at 786-441-2727. Again, 786-441-2727. For a much slower response, you can also send me an email to howtodieofnothing@gmail.com, and that's all letters, HOWTODIEOFNOTHING. Learn more by going to also passiveincomewithpurium.com for a copy of the compensation plan and more details. Again, that's passiveincomewithpurium.com. Thank you all for your kind time and attention. I hope this added value to you, and now you know about something that could help you have more energy, support your health goals, overcome any health challenges. This is just another flyer with their products showing from head to toe how they have a little bit of something for every part of the body, okay? I'll eventually be ordering some of these products like Revive It All, which is a 3 and then free item. Renew Hair and Skin and Nails is also a 3 and then free, and so is Joint Flex, okay? Actually, these are all 3 and then free items, by the way. For your eyes, Super Xanthan we went over. Heart Aid, I haven't tried it yet, but I'll order that soon. You got Bee Energetic, which has got some bee pollen and spirulina and a couple other items to support your adrenal glands, okay? Well, take care, and hope you'll be my customer. For all those that do become customers, I will email you a free copy of my How I Solve My Sleep Problems, 30 Tips to Fall Asleep, Stay Asleep, and Wake Up Feeling More Refreshed, along with my recipe guide made with several of Purium's products, such as Epigenius Kids, among others, okay? Well, take care.